Hello everyone, my name is Arvind and today's topic is getting started with OCI networking. So this is the basic architecture diagram to get started with OCI networking. We will be creating a VCN, that is virtual cloud network, within a region. In this lab we will be creating a virtual cloud network within Ashburn region, and within this VCN we will be creating a subnet. We will be spinning up an instance within this subnet. We will be attaching an internet gateway to access internet. We will be associating a route table towards internet gateway for the internet, and will also add a security list to filter the traffic based on IP address and port number. Let's get into the console and do it practically. This is the OCI console. Go to the hamburger symbol. Under section networking, click virtual cloud networks. Click create VCN. Give a user friendly name like demo VCN. This is my current compartment. Enter the CIDR block for VCN 172.16.0.0/16. Click create VCN. The VCN has been created. Now we will be creating a subnet within this VCN. So click create subnet. Let's give a name to it, demo subnet. Leave it regional. Enter the CIDR block for the subnet. Associate a route table. Leave the subnet access as public because we want to access internet. Default DHCP option, default security list. Click create. The demo subnet has been created. Now we will be creating an internet gateway. Click create internet gateway. Give a name, create internet gateway. We'll go to the route table, open the default route table, add a route for the internet towards internet gateway. Select internet gateway. Select the internet gateway we have created just now. Add a default route for the internet. Add route rules. Go back to the VCN we have created. Go to the security list. Click on the default security list. Add ingress rule for incoming traffic. Source any. ICMP. Add ingress rule. Since we will be creating a Windows machine, we will be adding another rule for 3389. Add ingress rule. All the required ingress rules have been added. Egress rule is already allowed for all the IP addresses and port numbers. So we have created our VCN, subnet, route table and security list. Now we will be creating a compute instance. Compute instance. Give a name to it. Leave the compartment and availability domain as it is. Select the image. We will be creating Windows machine instance. Select the image. Scroll down. Select the VCN we have created and the subnet. Assign public IP because we want to access this machine from the internet. Click create. The Windows machine instance is being provisioned. In few minutes it will be provisioned and it will get two IP addresses, private and public, because we have created it within a public subnet. The Windows instance has been provisioned. We will ping this public IP address to test the connectivity. It proves that the device is reachable and we have the connectivity. Now we will also test the RDP session. We'll copy this IP address, initiate the RDP session. Connect. So the RDP is also working fine. So this is how we have performed the basic lab of OCI networking. I hope the session has been informative. Thank you so much.